Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Apple Wiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can change your date and time on your iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your settings app on your phone. And after opening the settings app, what you're going to do is tap on the general option right here. And after tapping on general, scroll down. Then you will be able to see the option of date and time right here. Tap on it. And after tapping on it, here you can see currently set automatically is turned on my phone. So that is why the time and date is automatic. Simply just tap on this toggle button in order to turn it off like this. And you can see there is the option of date and time right here. Tap on it. And then you can change your date however you want, just like this. I'm going to set it as 23 April. And you can also tap on the time right here. And you can see you can simply just change it like this. I'm going to set it at 10:06 a.m. And when you're done setting all of that up, you can tap on the back option that you can see in the top left corner right here. And then you're all set. And when you scroll down, you can see the time is on 10:06 and it is currently 23 April. And like this, you have now successfully changed your time and date on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.